Right, question 5's got a load of identical tiles and they've been arranged in the shape below. We're told that the area of the shape is 1620 centimetres squared. Work out the value of L and W. Along the top, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of W. So this is 5W. This will be L plus W. So the area, which is equal to 1620, is equal to 5W multiplied by L plus W. Well, straight away, the 5 will go into 1620 324 times. So therefore, 324 is equal to WL plus W squared. For a moment, this looks impossible because, well, we've got two unknowns and only one equation. But there is another equation. The fact we've not used yet is that she's used 9 tiles. So a ninth of this area down here, 1620, will be 1 tile. So I can say that 1620 divided by 9 must equal L times W. And this works out to be that LW equals 180. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We've got a pair of simultaneous equations. And happily, we can eliminate LW by just putting 180 in here. So equation 1 becomes, so therefore moving things around, ignoring the negative result of square rooting 144, we know that W is equal to 12. Now sub this result in 2 and we get that L is equal to 180 over 12, which is equal to 15. And those are your 2 results and the 2 answers.